Yo, what's good? Oh, damn, my camera's fucked up. Hold up. Every day. Every day we mess this up. I'm always rushing to the next stream. You know what I mean? Hold up. This might be good enough. Let's get our screen up. I think that's all right. All right, let's get our screen up. How we doing, guys? How we doing? What a day. What a day. I just caught this like silly negative R scalp short. Just trying to pass these my funded futures accounts. It's actually been a really good day, which I needed this, man. I needed a good, strong price action day where we had a clear read. Because as you guys know, I've been, pretty honest. Like February's not been the best. This might be the first month that I don't take a payout since May. I've taken at least 1 to 2 payouts for every single month since May of last year. And I don't know, like we're only halfway through February, but I just got a feeling that February is not going to be it, which is fine. That's fine. In 2025, most of my money came in the latter half of the year. So it is what it is. But yeah, I just got a feeling. But either way, we've been struggling. So it's been nice to have like a really clean price action day where we called the market very well and we capitalized off it. We didn't just call what was going to happen, but we didn't execute. That's kind of what happened yesterday. Yesterday we had a good read. Like we had the right idea for the market, but they just made it extremely difficult, right? Um, Today we called the market correctly and we executed properly. So that's a W. But we'll see. I'm down to keep trading because I would really like to pass these my funded futures accounts today. I'm up on Tradeify for the day, which is good. But here, let's go to my funded futures because I do want to focus on this and try and get these accounts passed. It'd be good if we could do that on stream. I'll show you guys. We're very close. Yeah. So on these two, I need $250. And on these, I need about 400 on this one. So very, very close. This plan is really good, guys. This 50K flex plan is really not bad. 5K payout cap. It's pretty much the top step 50K account, but you don't have to use shitty Project X. You don't have to deal with all the bullshit going on with Top Step. And what else? There's one other factor. Oh, it's cheaper. It's cheaper. It's $100 all in, or 107, which is cheaper than Top Step. With Top Step, it's 200 minimum. Because you got to pass the challenge, then pay the activation fee. You're dropping 2, so it's half the cost as well. It's just a better plan overall. And again, I'm not hawking an affiliate code with that. I don't have a code for them. I just think it's a good plan. How are you guys doing though? I think we're live on YouTube as well today. Just for today, I'm trying to do YouTube maybe once every other week just to like keep everyone just like as a reminder that I'm live in the afternoon on ASFX TV. I feel like it's just a nice little reminder. So I figured we'd start off today, midweek with that. What's up, trading for keeps? How you doing? Siri P, what's up? Andrew, Siri, Doug, James, what's going on, guys? How we doing? I see Urcon in the chat. Urcon killed it today. Me and him were going band for band, catching those longs, man. We had a good day. Excuse me. I had Josh. Do any of you guys remember Josh Garcia? I don't think he's really on ASFX TV anymore. He used to be in the chat a lot. He came on stream. He caught a dub. It was a good high energy day, man. Solid day. What up, Urcon? What symbol are we on? NQ, man. Come on. I mean, I know if you're watching the other boys, they're more focused on ES. I trade NQ primarily. We look at ES, of course, but pretty focused on executing with NQ. By the way, guys, a couple of things. Listen, I know some of you don't like Apex. I love Apex now after being paid out on 12 accounts. They're doing their 90% off promo. They do the 90% off like once every 3 months. So it's the absolute cheapest you can get accounts with Apex for. $20. It's like $19.50 or something for a 50K account. I think the activation fees are like $70. So we only pay that when you pass. So extremely cheap. This is the time to scale up. If you are interested in Apex, this is the time to do it. You could use code ZARB. It'll get you that discount. But that's really the only newest promo. All the other promos are still kicking. 60% off top one futures, 40% off Tradeify, which I have codes for as well. But let's get into the charts. Dude, Archon, tell me, do you think I'm silly for wanting to short this now that we tapped into that 15-minute Sibby? You know what I mean? I said that's probably the draw. Now, ES just front ran that 927 level, which I think is also a draw in liquidity. But I'm thinking I don't know. I'm starting to think we could build up some lows here, or we have built up some lows and we can get a push. But I don't want to catch myself shorting. The thing is, dude, I only need 50 ticks on a mini to pass. So I'm kind of like, can I get 50 ticks to the downside before I blow these accounts? That's kind of the game I'm playing here now, because it's just a challenge. So part of me just wants to get in here. What do you think? I think I'm going to do it. I kind of wish I did it when I first got on instead of all this yapping. There's equal highs up here, though. I don't know. Really tempted to just hit it with a quick short. I know, shorts are sketch, perhaps. The thing is, bro, I feel like there's actually a lot of room to the downside if I just happen to catch the fucking top trying to long. You think it's easier for me to catch 50 ticks to the upside? I think you might be right. Yeah, there's actually some SMT right there, too. Follow your intuition. Don't overthink. I know. I need to make 50 ticks before I lose like 600. I think we'll be fine. I think we'd be fine in either direction, to be honest. Yeah, see, if this high swept here, I would actually be more interested in the short, but I'm kind of thinking just get long right here. Fuck it. Watch, dude. I'm going to catch the exact top. Let me get some music on. See, I don't know. See, I'm a fucking asshole. I should have done it the other way. Let me go settings. Let me get some music on here. Yeah, I'm being stupid. I've just faded myself. I'm an idiot. I wanted the fucking short. Retard shit. Michael, what up, bro? Now it's too late for the short. Should have followed my intuition. That was so silly, man. All right, we got to make 100 ticks before we lose like 600. I still think we got a good chance. Equal highs for the long. Yeah, do you think I should just get in the long? Like, maybe I should just stay in it because I'd have to lose, bro. I'd have to lose 600 ticks to the downside before I got 100 back up. And there's equal highs there, so there is a draw. The only thing I don't like is we did tap into this area. And I was very interested in as a draw on liquidity. We have tapped it. But this isn't really giving reversal vibes. You know what? Fuck this. Yep, we're going to do this. I shouldn't have gotten out to begin with. Now, you guys might think I'm silly, but we are going to just hold this. We are just going to hold this. And if the worst happens, the worst happens. Is there an SMT? Whoa. Oh, that's crude. I also have like yesterday we took a really good kill zone trade, but you guys have known my kill zone trades have not been great. Most of my money's been being made in the morning session and during Asia session. I've been kind of trash at kill zone. Am I going to be, this is the thing. I can't keep taking paper cuts. So I'm going to hold this because if I keep taking paper cuts, then before you know it, I gave back everything. So we're in this fucking trade. We're just going to sit in it. It would have to go down. Literally, it would have to go down about 600 ticks for me to fail this challenge. So this is the trade. Ready? And remember, this is an eval, guys. I would never do this with a payout or anything crazy. But this is what we're trying to do here. I swear to God, if I get cooked doing this, it's going to look so stupid. I'm going to look retarded. But it would have to go down here before it goes right here. That's the trade we're taking to pass the eval. W trade. What do you think, guys? Be honest. You think this trade's going to hit? Who thinks my long's going to work out? Or do you think I'm cooked? Equal highs. Right there. I am long at the fucking top. Andrew says it's going to hit. All right, thanks for sticking with me, bro. Let's do this. This will be fun. At least the kill zone will be interesting. Let's do this. Urcon wants to join. Okay, now I'm feeling good, chat. Urcon's joining. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. We did leave equal highs. Like if I shorted this and then it ripped up to the equal highs before a pullback, I'd be mad at myself because I'd say there were equal highs there. How the fuck do I get my Tradevate chart to stop snapping back to current/present every time I scroll? Yeah, Doug, we're going to get out the magnet in a minute. Okay, let me remember. I know how to do this because I changed it too. I think you go to chart settings. I think it's auto fit. Continuous auto fit. I think it might be this. Turn that off. See if that fixes it. It's something like that inside of chart settings. Today is my first day trying to copy trade on Tradevate and I hate it. Dude, oh my God. Everyone is so annoyed by this. Why? It's not that big of a deal, bro. Everyone cries about this. Literally, bro. I'm doing it right now. I just scroll here. I click on a button. I press the button. That's all I do. What's so hard about it? I don't get it. Everybody's like so annoyed by it. It's really not that bad. Look, ready? I want a limit order up here. At 25,116, right? So this is what I'm going to do. Scroll to 25,116. Click on the thing. Limit. Now it's here. That shit ain't hard. I don't know why people get so like hate it so much. You're getting way better spread, way better. You're not getting any slippage. You're getting instant execution. YOLO, bitch, jumped out the window with you. Huh? Who jumped out the window? What? What are you talking about? All right, stock at break even. Can we pass? Can we pass my funded futures? Come on. Renee, oh, you took the long with me too. Okay. By the way, guys, this is like not the most optimal long. I hope you know. I hope your stop isn't where mine is. I'm just trying to pass a challenge. Okay, so 2 of these accounts are a little bit more. Like this one, I need to make an extra 200 on. So we'll worry about that if it even starts going into profit. Because I'll have to place the orders one by one instead of using the copy trader because I need them on different spots. If we even get there, who knows? Maybe it just falls down, man. This really is a terrible entry, guys. I wouldn't want to be followed into this, personally. Because the thing is, like, do I think we come back to these equal highs? I think it's definitely possible. But the thing is, like, there's a lot of room that this can go down first. Like, I could get cooked on this trade, honestly. I could actually get, like, totally destroyed on this trade. Like, if NQ wants to leave those equal highs for later or tomorrow, and it wants to, like, really go down, there's a wide open 15-minute gap here. Like, don't count that out. This is not, like, the best trade. I kind of feel like a retard being in this. Yeah, wait, Tori. Wait, hold on. Let's see. Hold up. Is this good? Trend line? Is that a valid Tori trend line right there? It's like not even on anything. Is that a valid Tori trend line? Doug, let me know. I keep it simple. I keep my technical analysis pure and simple. My uncle taught me I use trend lines. I love platinum. I made $1 million on platinum with my simple trend lines. Let's go. This is the most non-optimal trade ever. I probably look retarded on YouTube. People don't know. Like, if people don't know me, or they just watch my YouTube videos and then they see me doing this, bro, I probably look so dumb. Oh my God, Tori trendline is failing me. Guys, I think the trend line has failed. Oh man. Oh my God, the trend line failed. Fuck. Gotta breathe. Gotta keep it calm. Austin's indicator is all green. All right. Doug says magnet. Do I need a... Okay. All right. You know what? I do. Desperate times call for desperate measures. You're right. Magnet. Whoa, don't flip it. Okay. We got that going for us at least. Yeah, or before it plummets. It could totally plummet, bro. It could totally plummet. 600 ticks isn't even that far away. I could actually totally lose these accounts. Because we're like, oh, we need this thing to pretty much make a new high a day. That's where it gets dangerous. We actually need the market to make a new high a day, basically. Which it already tapped into like a pretty higher time frame resistance level. Now, this doesn't really look like reversal vibes yet. We're not getting like bearish fair value gaps being created. But there's just so much room down for this, even if it is manipulation. I really think I may be retarded. I think it's going to go here. But we're already in it. Like at this point, I'm just holding it because I'm not trying to get caught up looking like hitting paper cut after paper cut. So we're fucked. We're just in this. At least it's going to be entertaining. Dude, if I actually blow these accounts, it is going to look pretty bad. It's going to look pretty silly. Oh my God. Why didn't I just trust my intuition and short the fucking market right there and just be done? Oh, you fucker. Okay, Tori's trend lines suck. Can I do this? Can I say that's a trend line now? Maybe that'll work. Is that working? This is kind of working. Is this a trend line now? Because I put the line there? Does the market know I put the line there? Do I have to tell someone at the market? Do I have to tell the market makers that I put the line there, so therefore that's a trend line and it should go up from here? Better to blow them today while Apex is 90% off. Yeah. Dude, I mean, I hate 2-day pass evals. I try to just hit. That's why I love Apex. Dude, I think we may actually blow these accounts. Taking the worst trade on earth. Okay, Doug says, yeah, just keep adjusting it. Okay. All right, I don't think I have to adjust it yet. But if it goes lower, I'll adjust it somewhere. Lee Day says, Tori trendline, you would have been up 50 ticks for a sell, to be honest. Fuck. Damn, I wish I had my sound effects here on StreamYard. I don't have it here. Wait, where is the Tori trend line? Because let's actually look at it. Because she'd be using the 4-hour, right? She uses the 4-hour trend line. I'm talking so much shit, and my karma is going to be that I blow these accounts straight up. Would it be here? This is the trend line. Oh God. Wait. No. Tori trades. No way. Guys, I may actually have to close this because I got a weird feeling that this is going to actually go down 600 pips. I'm such a fucking asshole. Dude, I am fucking retarded. I am so fucking retarded. I actually feel retarded. They're going down here. ES is going to take out like 903. Like, I'm fucked. No, I think I am retarded, Lee. I think I'm actually retarded. Look at this. All gone. All the profit gone. I mean, we're not closing it. Whatever happens, happens. Is there like an hourly fair value gap in here? Okay, there kind of is. This is like deep. This could go so far down. Is there an SMT there? This is when you start getting desperate. You start looking for SMT everywhere. There is an SMT right here. Let's see if it holds. Come on, just make one more high day and then drop it. You know what I mean? Let's just do that. Make one more high day and then drop it. You left equal highs, NASDAQ. Don't mess around with me. Don't play games with me, NASDAQ. Dude, I really think I may be fucked. Okay, I'm getting pissed off now. Dude, is this shit actually gonna sell the fuck off? Worst trade of my life. I know it's an eval, and we're kind of being silly, but worst trade of my life. Stupid trade. I think I may be fucked. I just have like, how many times has the index has done this, right? They like really bring it up and just drop it the fuck off. They do it constantly lately. Like, they don't follow through. And we've had a lot of follow through. This long is overextended. I'm fucked. I'm actually fucked. Yeah. I just know it, dude. I just know it. Inside a daily bearish fair value. Yeah, I know. Yeah, no, dude, I'm so fucked. I know I am. These accounts are going to be gone. These accounts are gone. I actually think they are. I think these accounts are cooked. I'm not even kidding. I have a lot of room left, and I still think they're fucking cooked. Dumbest shit I ever did. No more SMT. Slight SMT, but pretty much equal lows. ES is going to push lower. I think they're going to push all the way down here. And then if we're lucky, it'll go back up. But I think it might completely reverse. I think it's going to reverse, gang. Actually the most retarded trade I've ever taken. I mean, if I actually lose this trade, then the February rut still continues. That's just what it is. Like, February is not going to be my month. That's just going to be the reality. If I lose this trade when I needed 50 ticks and I lose 600 ticks, I know that February is just not my month. Yeah, this is on an eval. We're just fucking around. It's really not that big of a deal, but we were trying to pass it. I needed 50 ticks to pass. I'm going to be the one guy that lost a trade long today. I'm going to be the one person on earth that lost a trade going long. It is on an eval. I would never do this on my funded accounts. There was no analysis here. The most of the analysis was just there's equal highs up here. Let's just catch 50 ticks somewhere in here. It would have worked if I did it here, if I did it here, if I did it here. It would have worked in millions of spots. No, it just is what it is. I made a lot of profit on this account today already. So I have profit that I was working with. Like, the accounts I gave back a lot of it here, but I would need to lose like 500 ticks, I think, 500 or 600 before I made 100. So I mean, it's still feasible, but the problem is, from a technical perspective, we are pretty overextended. We tapped into a key level. Yes, we left equal highs, but like, I don't know. Like, it's the afternoon. The market stops. The market doesn't make new high days often in the late afternoon. It's one of the reasons I hate trading PM session now. So there's a lot of things that could actually make this just revert back down and actually stop me out. Because I bought it at the high. It just was a terrible trade. But my thought process is, if I cut this now, I'm just going to keep trading. And I'd rather not lose the P&L I had. I'd rather, if this goes back up and then moves 50 ticks, like, I'm good. I think it's safer to just hold it. Oh, yo, guys, I was talking about this on Prop Firm Match TV, but we're doing Prop Firm Match is doing like an X space on the last Saturday of the month. I think February 28th. Where are the other people I'm talking with? On ASFX TV. I'll drop a link here for you. It's like a paid service, but I'll stream it here to YouTube every now and then. I'll drop the link for you if you want it. You can get a month for free. I think if you use code ZARB, or if you just use this link. There you go. I'll pin this message to the top of the chat. But what was I going to say? So we're doing like an X space. Let me go back to ASFX. No, Doug, I'm not adding in. That's the thing I'm not doing. That's how I actually get destroyed. We're just going to try to see if it goes back up and takes the equal highs. Not adding in. That's where you get destroyed. Because then if it goes down here, I'm fucked. I'm not doing that. I'd rather just hold it. Where is it though? X space. Yeah, this is it. It's going to be me, teammate Alex, and this dude Harry. We're going to just like talk on X, and it'll be one of those things where there's like a stage and people can raise their hands and come up and ask us questions, and it'll just be fun. It's going to be for like an hour. It's on a Saturday. It's going to be the last Saturday of February at 3 p.m. Eastern. If anybody wants to tune in, I think it's going to be fun. We'll probably promote it a lot more when it gets closer, but yeah. Oh, Doug's calling me a chicken. All right, that's it. 5 minis. Let's go. No, I'm kidding. No, I really think I'm fucked though. I'm trying to play reverse psychology on the market a little bit. I don't think it's working. Okay, there's a little 5-minute gap in here. Let's see if the market draws up into that. And if we can get an inversion, I think we'll be okay. If this holds as resistance, it's going to make a new low. That's how I'm going to look at it. This really like sucks though, dude. Zach, quick SVP question. Since the new session starts at 6 p.m. Eastern and includes overnight, do you consider levels formed then? Or do you rely strictly on prior day levels? I'm going to answer your question by just saying, because I don't know exactly what you mean by like, do I just rely strictly on prior day levels? I use the overnight sessions as well. They are incorporated into my volume profile. So some people use regular trading hours when they're looking at their volume profile with SVP. That's going to only show you the New York sessions volume. Okay, it's going to disregard Asia and London. I think that's silly. Okay, there's enough volume in Asia and London that that stuff is relevant and you want that information. So I use ETH, electronic trading hours, which incorporates the Asia session, the London session, and the New York session all together as one profile. So that would be one entire day's volume profile. All of those sessions are included. Let me know if that answers the question. I think it should answer the question. Honestly, this will almost be funny. If this actually goes down 500 ticks before it went up 50, we're just going to have to laugh at it. We're just going to have to laugh. And it'll just be more of the same, because this is kind of like the way the market's been treating me in February. It's not been treating me nicely. It has not been treating me nice, for real. This is like actually a fucking hilarious joke, dude. I am annoyed, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little annoyed. Guys, I wanted to pass these accounts and trade them. Hey, Tyler G in the house. Wait, where'd my other thing go? Hold on. I hope I didn't get rid of ASFX TV. Fuck. Did I get rid of ASFX TV by accident? Motherfucker. God damn it. Dude, I'm so out of it right now. I just fucking closed ASFX TV by accident. All right, I hope they come on YouTube. What up, Tyler G? How you doing, man? Dude, I just took the most retarded trade of my life. I don't know how long you've been here. I actually took the most retarded fucking trade of my life. It's just the... Wow, I can't believe I actually am gonna fuck these accounts up, dude. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh, ASFX is still working? Oh. Alright, cool. Just got here. You okay, pal? No, dude, I'm kind of pissed off. I needed 50 ticks to pass these My Funded Futures accounts, so I just went with the trend, saw these equal highs, and said, let me just catch 50 ticks before I lose 500. I'll be fine. And I think I'm actually going to lose 500 ticks and blow the accounts on stream. So I look like a retard. I look pretty retarded. It's just evals. I would never do this on funded accounts, but you know, it does look really stupid. I look like a fucking idiot. Nah, I'm not taking a stop, bro, because I don't fucking care enough about them. Like, I just wanted to pass him. If I take a stop here, they're just challenges, dude. If I take a stop here, I'm still going to try to keep trading, and then I'm going to have less buffer. And I'll probably just end up taking a long again anyway. So for me, the actual safer thing right now is to just see if it goes back up to break even. Or close to break even. You know what I mean? Like, if it was a funded account, I would have taken the stops out. Would have taken the stop outs a while. No, it's not even the pros. It's the flex, the 50K flex account. I thought it was a cool plan because it's 5K payout cap per account, which is pretty fire for a 50K, and it's only $100. So like really cheap accounts. You trade with my funded futures, right? Do you go with the pros or the yeah, you go with the pros. I think maybe I should try those. Maybe if I fail those, it'll be meant to be. And I just got to get some pro accounts. What do you like about the pros? Pro all day? There's no, are those the ones that have no payout cap? Is that the idea? Also, they're 1 day pass, which I prefer. I don't like trading challenges. I really hate it. Like, I just try to pass them quickly. That's why I've done so many 100K payout cap. And there's no like time on that, right? Like, it could be all in one payout. It doesn't matter. That's the game, right? So you could get like 2 50K payouts and then you're done. But you can get them all in one shot. It's pretty awesome. Maybe it'll be meant to be. Just annoying because I needed 50 ticks, bro. Maybe we're going to be okay. Listen, if I was like trying to still trade funded, I would be considering a long here to take these equal highs, swept this low, still holding this 15-minute fair value gap. You know what I mean? This could be a good long setup right here, but I just feel like these markets have been so unpredictable lately, bro. Yeah, that's the cool thing about the pro. It could be in a single payout. You could get 100K. There's no cap on like the payout cycle, which is insane. Dumbest shit I've ever done in my life. Retard. Why don't I trade the VWAP system? Because I'm not gay. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. That's what they would say. If you asked Austin why he doesn't trade ICT, he would say something like that. That's what I said. I don't trade VWAP because I fucking trade my shit. I trade ICT with volume profile. Shots fired. I'm just kidding, by the way. I'm just playing around. Austin would say that shit though, so I'm just saying it. I'm saying it to his people. Eval's still hurt, man, especially when they're close. Hoping this turns around for you. Yeah, thanks. It is annoying. Like, I really am annoyed, genuinely. I mean, like, I'm not gonna be thinking about it when I'm asleep tonight, but I am annoyed in the moment right now, dude. I'm like kind of pissed off about it. Regardless of what happens when we get off stream, I'm not really going to care, but it's annoying right now. Yeah, I hope it just gets us back up. I just need 50 ticks. Like, it still could work. Because remember, I had a nice buffer in these for the day. I was up $1,000 on these accounts already. So I needed to make, no, I was up $1,250 on these two. And 1,000 on these. So I needed 50 ticks on these and like 75 on these. With one mini. So like I had a strong buffer in the accounts. So I had a lot of room. That's why I said like I don't care. I'm just gonna let it rock. Ooh, I love this, Michael. I love this reply. Better question, Cameron, is why did Randy add volume profile to his strategy and has been killing it as a result? Bam! That's what I'm talking about, man. Also, it's funny because like pretty much a lot of people in ASFX have started using volume profile. It's just so funny because the way I use it really is like my own thing. I didn't learn that anywhere, and you're using it the exact way that I use it. I'm talking so much shit. I'm totally gonna get karma, and it's gonna blow the accounts with all the shit I'm talking today. Yeah, it doesn't have to be this or that. It's all modules that each trader has to find their own best fit. 100%. Like my thing, like most people were not trading ICT with volume profile. There's a lot of people, not a lot. There's more people doing it now. When I was doing it, I was the only person I knew that used both of those things. But I feel like that's where a lot of my edge showed up. It's because it's my own thing. I put my own twist on something. I think that's where you really start to succeed. Like people always want to copy and paste someone else's strategy, which is understandable. You want someone to tell you what to do. You think, okay, if I pay this guy to tell me exactly what to do, I'll just follow it to a T and I'll be okay. Unfortunately, it just doesn't work like that. You know, you have to learn the way someone trades and then learn the way another person trades and learn the way another person trades and another person, and then take things from all of that and create your own style. That's really how you do it. Because we all watched your volume profile course, yeah. Yeah, might as well shout out the course, Volume Profile, Liquidity Concepts on ASFX TV. It's all on there. Dude, oh my God, bro. I can't believe I did this, though. Okay, how much room do I have now? I have 300 more ticks from right there. Yeah, so it's not even a full 600. Right here. If it goes to 942, I'm fucked. And I think it really might. This is the line of death. Right here. Let's label it. I'm actually fucked, dude. I actually am gonna lose these accounts, bro. Oh, dude, we're actually gonna lose the accounts. This is insane. This is crazy, bro. I think I want to quit Killzone. I don't even like trading this hour. It sucks. Every time I trade this hour, I just force a trade and leave. I make money in New York session and then give it back in the PM session trading Killzone. I'm being such a whiny motherfucker right now. It's so annoying, dude. I can't believe this shit's actually going to happen live. Got 200 more ticks from here. We're fucked. We're actually fucked. February just ain't it, man. February, not my month. February is just not my month. Was this somewhat entertaining at least? Yeah, Doug. Or I would have just blown it. What if I didn't take profits right at the perfect spot to get back out of break even? What if it just missed my break even and went down? I would have already been out. Maybe now we DCA. Maybe I DCA here. I just don't feel. I'd rather just like let God take care of this. Whatever happens, happens. Short it, you'll earn it all back. No, that is the biggest mistake I could possibly make. Because that's the thing everyone's going to be tempted to do. People would be tempted to do that now. But what if now it rips back up? Then you just want to. No, so we just stick with our one decision and we just let it be. It's just a couple challenges. It's really not that big of a deal. I'm kind of playing it up on stream a little bit. I am annoyed. Don't get me wrong. I'm annoyed, but I'm also trying to be a little bit entertaining. Line of death right here. Let's see if there's an SMT around here. Not really. Let's clean up this chart. I have too much shit on here. Where was my line of death? 42. We'll put that back on. Oh, you meant I would have lost him already. Yeah, I definitely would have lost him already, bro. That's why I was like, what? No, I would have been fucked. I will say, if there's ever a time to DCA, if that's what you're into, it's not a bad idea to do it here because, like, this is kind of the last line of defense for the idea. Like, you kind of dug deeper into this fair value gap. You swept out this low, which I said was like, that would be the better spot to do this. You have a 5-minute gap up here. I think decent probability it'll come up to at least fill this gap. And then if it's going to keep selling off, it's going to sell off there, or it gets inversed and this trade works out. Problem is there's like more imbalance below. So, and this is what's been happening, man. This market it kind of recovers and then it just erases everything. And really brutal price action lately. This was the worst fucking day. Yesterday was terrible, man. I think it's just so funny that I'm on YouTube right now. So like anyone that's new or who has been watching my technical analysis videos is seeing me in the silliest trade ever. They're like, oh, this guy sucks. Man, I do have to go. I wish I could stay on so we could just see what happens. But listen, before I leave, we got like 2 minutes left. You guys know what's going to happen. It's either it goes here. I'm done. Oh, FOMC minutes. Oh, God. Right, let's stay on till 2. Let's just see what happens there. The minutes should give something. It's either going to be really bad for me or it's going to be okay. But I totally forgot about the minutes. Man, I'll say too, one thing about streaming, bro. Yeah, it's in 2 minutes, Jason. It's in 2 minutes. Streaming really is hard, man. Streaming as much as I do. I stream like 5 hours most days. And a lot of times you don't want to do something stupid in front of people. Like I should have had these passed on the Prop Firm Match TV stream, but I was being patient there because the market wasn't pulling back. Meanwhile, if I just caught the longs there, which I probably would have done if no one was looking, you know what I mean? These are some of the things that streaming as long as many hours as I do makes trading really hard, bro. Like Austin and the guys who stream the morning session, they're just on for like an hour and a half, 2 hours maybe. They could still like trade PM by themselves. Like all of my trades are streamed live. And in some ways it's good because it keeps you accountable, it makes you not do dumb things. But I say this all the time. Sometimes it actually makes me too trigger shy on a trade that intuitively I know I should take, but I think it might not look right on paper in front of an audience, so I don't take it and I overthink it, and it could actually hurt me not taking the trade. You know what I'm saying? Oh, God damn you, Doug. Short. Doug is short, targeting 942. Oh, wait, you're kidding. Dude. Okay, 15 seconds. Let's see if the news does anything. The FOMC minutes doesn't really do much usually, from what I remember. Well, let's see. Dude. Not the best start. We're going to stay an extra couple minutes to just see what this news does, if it does anything. Doesn't feel like it's gonna recover here. Like I want it to, but it just doesn't feel like it's gonna. Hey, do we got a chance here? Is it gonna do something? Pretty lackluster news. Let's hope it can draw into this open fair value gap at least, and then we can see how it reacts in there. Like on paper, this is a good long opportunity. You swept liquidity here, tapped into this 15-minute gap. You have equal highs up here. But it's just like this market just constantly like it makes a move and then reverses it. And it makes a move and then reverses it. It's like super common lately. And plus, I mean, we swept all these highs. Like I think I am actually cooked on this. I'm giving it 2 more minutes and then I'm just going to go. I'm going to set alerts so I know once the accounts are blown. Because I'm not going to be looking at the charts once I get off. I'm done for the day, regardless. I'm pretty sure there's edgeful statistics also. We like very rarely make a new high a day in the late PM session, which is another reason why I don't like Killzone or I don't like trading PM session these days much, because at least not for continuation trades, because you often just start to chop. And if you had a huge move in one direction, you could just like erase a ton of it and not get followed. And then like these equal highs, we'll probably take these in the overnight session tonight. I don't think we're going to take these today. So now you'll probably take those in the overnight session because they're there. They're going to be a draw. Yeah, we're inside a 4-hour bearish fair value gap. Swept a 4-hour swing high. I may as well still put the limit order there just in case it does fill. All right, guys, we're going to bounce. I hope that was at least entertaining. But I'm going to bounce. I will be back tomorrow for the last week of Killzone streaming. And other than that, I'll be live tomorrow on PFM TV again, where we will take actual trades, good trades. We're just trying to pass some evals. Looks like we're going to get cooked. It is what it is. But yeah, I'll be back tomorrow, guys. Mine not too spicy, but I like longs better. Yeah, I think I really don't know what's going to happen. I would like longs here. If I was not in any kind of trade, I would probably be like scouting a long around here, but I'm also very wary of just the way the market moves lately. It's like it just erases anything that happens. So I don't know. All right, guys, I'll be back tomorrow. Till then, take care. Love. See you later.